All right, everybody, just a quick video. This isn't like a shop video. It isn't anything video. I mean, I'm getting ready to do some shop stuff on the car over there, but this video is just kind of a public service announcement for you guys. Do not reply to anyone in the comments that is pretending to be KSR or pretending to be Kevin Smith. It's not us. There is so much spam content, spam users in the comment section of YouTube, Instagram, all these profiles that are doing nothing but trying to scam you out of your money or your financial information. And, you know, I didn't really think it was something that, you know, I thought it was pretty obvious that these companies were trying to do this. I made a post about it, but I know the posts don't get seen as much. So that's why I'm making this really quick video, just to try and make sure you guys don't fall for their tricks. Like, we've gotten phone calls here at the shop. Hey, when's my toolbox showing up? And we're like, what? What toolbox? Oh, you guys replied to me on a YouTube video saying I want a toolbox. No, it's not us. We do have a giveaway planned, but when we do that, it will be 100% clarity that it's coming directly from me or from the KSR company. So hopefully you guys don't fall for their tricks. Please don't. I don't want to see anybody get scammed. I hate seeing people taken advantage of. Like, we don't like drama on the channel. Like, we're trying to make sure that you guys stay safe, no matter how much they try and sell you, that it's us giving away something like that. We don't have daily winners. We don't have weekly winners. We don't have monthly winners. We will never reply to you that you have won something in a YouTube comment, on Instagram, on Facebook, anywhere. So if it's not the official KSR Performance and Fabrication YouTube name commenting, it's not me. So I do try and get down there and report the you know, these accounts that are saying text us on Telegram, message us, message me on whatever it is. I report those to YouTube, but it does take a little bit of time. I remove comments, but I usually don't get to doing that until the evenings. Say, you know, when I'm done editing a video, I'll get in there and try to delete those, report them, etc., etc. If you guys see them, please report them, but don't fall for their tricks. Thank you to those of you that have been reporting them, because that's a huge help. And it cuts down on, you know, the potential of somebody else getting scammed. So we're all in this together. We don't want to see anybody get screwed. While you're here, if you do like the rest of our content, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to buy some merch, winwithksr.com. Figured I'd get that in at least, because, you know, why not? Anyways, hope you guys are all having a great day. I'm about to make some noise on the dyno, which you will see in another video coming out probably 3 or 4 days, because that's kind of how they usually run here at the shop. So hope you guys are having a great day, and it's great weather like it is here in Florida today. And we'll see you guys in the next one. See, look at this great weather. It's beautiful, sunny, not a cloud in the sky. Don't get scammed.